Introducing the 2025 Seat Leon 2.0 TDI SE Plus. With only 3,000 kilometers, this grey beauty is loaded with features for your comfort and safety. From air conditioning to collision alert, this car has it all. Stylish roof, rails and LED lights add a touch of flair, while the stop and start system guarantees fuel efficiency. Plus, enjoy a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty and servicing to manufacturer standards. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie today for more information on how you can drive away in this amazing Seat Leon.